JVZOO is a great place to look for affiliate products to promote, particularly digital affiliate products. And the great thing about JVZOO is that it can offer instant commissions that are paid directly into your PayPal account. So you don't have to wait for a check in the mail like you do from ClickBank or some of the other affiliate sites. You can go straight in, make the sale, and you'll get the money in your PayPal account right away. Signing up is very easy. Click on the button here, it says become an affiliate, and you've got this page here which explains all about JVZOO, and then go down to the bottom here and click on the button that says sign up now. It's free, and it takes you through to this page, and the sign up process is actually very simple. All you do is you enter your full name, your email address, your password, and the country, which you can select from the pop-up menu here. You do have to declare that you're a citizen of the country that you've selected. And then you have to put in your telephone number, including the international dialing codes. So, for example, if you're in the US, you want to put 1 before the area code. If you're in the UK, you want to put 44, and so on. You then simply check the check boxes and click on the button that says register. And as it says here, you're going to be called as soon as you submit this form in order to verify your phone, and you're not going to be able to use the account until the phone is verified. Now, it doesn't have to be a landline phone. It can be a cell phone or a mobile phone, but it must be one that you can receive calls from another landline. So you can't put a Skype ID or anything like that into it. So I'm just going to pause the video while I do this. And once everything's been verified, you'll be allowed to log in to the JVZOO dashboard. And the JVZOO dashboard gives you a very concise breakdown of statistics. For example, it'll show you the number of clicks, the number of visitors, the number of sales, the gross revenue, and your daily profit. And that will be for both today and yesterday. Obviously, because this is a brand new site, there are zero earnings or profits, but it does give you an idea as to how you can do this. Now, of course, once you're signed up for JVZOO, you need to find some products to sell. And in the next video, I'll show you how to find proven hot selling products to promote in JVZOO.